Hey, this will be a video chart on GOIG. Been a while since the last time I did it, but been getting a lot of requests, and rightfully so. It's about time this chart has gotten out of its massive downtrend that you can see it was in for the longest time, showing some signs of strength. But more importantly, it's showing long-term strength. And what do I mean by long-term strength is, well, there's lots of stocks out there that'll show strength in the sense of they just explode upwards. But the long-term strength comes after the initial pullback. And this day was a pullback, and you see when it did pull back, it put in a higher low right there. And that's a good sign. That shows that, there was some true strength behind this. It wasn't, just a 1 week wonder or anything like that. There was some strength. So that's always a positive thing to see when big moves happen, and then after or during the pullback, I should say, a higher low is put in, which was the case here. I'll talk about that a little bit more later, but I did want to just point that out. So what's going on from the technical perspective? Where are the supports and resistances? Well, we will start off with the supports first, and to go right back to what I talked on, the main support and the one that's been holding strong is right here at 0.004. I'm going to make this line extra thick because this is a very important level of support. You can see at this point in time it acted as resistance for a couple of days, but then when it was broken, just a massive move, and then twice so far the price has come down here, and the bears have tried to push down through, but the bulls have held strong and produced bounces back upward. So 0.004 is going to be the key level of support. As long as that level holds, then the chart's going to remain very attractive looking. For shorter term levels, keep your eye on the 10-day, and then over the course of this week, the 20-day is going to get up above this level. But these will be more of your dynamic levels. But at the end of the day, as long as 0.004 can hold as support, then the chart's going to remain looking good and have a chance to keep moving upwards. Now, in terms of resistance, surprise, surprise, this orange line here is the 200-day simple moving average, and sure enough, like is usually the case, when the price got up there, it did act as resistance, and that's what knocked the price back down. But like I said, that's to be expected, so it's not like that should be a shock or anything like that. It happens quite a bit, so by no means was it anything to freak out about. Now, if you were a day trader and you bought up in this area, shame on you, and hopefully you got stopped out, because you should be out. But if you're a longer term trader, that's why you just need to keep your eyes on the levels such as 004, because those are what you want to see it hold. So going forward, pretty much just already answered where the key resistance is. It's going to be at this 200-day. Right now that's valued at 0.0085. So keep your eye on that. If the price can get through there, you'll probably have a little minor resistance up here at the previous high, which is valued at 0.0096. But in my opinion, if the price can get through that 200-day, then I don't think this level up here will put up much of a fight. I think the bulls, I don't want to say easily will get through there, but I think it'll be much more difficult to get through the 200-day rather than this level up here. So that is where the chart currently stands. If there are any other questions on it, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was GOIG. Thanks for listening.